RV mattress feel like this?
Ouch.
Yeah, this is no fun.
This is pretty much what every
RV
mattress feels like after 2 weeks.
A piece of wood.
Yeah. But I think we have a solution to that, don't we, Stephanie?
Yes! Look what we got.
Well, Stephanie, what is this that we have here?
Yay, we got a new mattress.
All right.
RV mattress from Brooklyn Bedding. Check it out.
I like the flag on the bottom.
I do like the American flag. That's pretty awesome.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Exciting day, Jeff.
This is a really good day, Stephanie. Do you want to know why?
Tell me.
Okay. The really biggest reason this is a great day is because I haven't slept in 2 years. And I'm hoping this solves the problem.
Yay!
You know, because we've heard a lot of good talk, you know, about Brooklyn Bedding and how great their product is and how great people sleep once they get it. So, what do you say we unbox this?
Yes, I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Right? I can't wait either. Well, Steph, this is a bed in a box, isn't it?
Yes. This is an RV King, and it comes in this pretty compact box.
How did they get it in this box?
I don't know.
Yeah, because this is like a 10-inch mattress, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's see this baby come out.
Okay. Oh, this is going to be easy.
Let's do it.
All right, let's do this.
Look at Jeff go. Wow. Ta-da.
Bed in a box.
Bed in a box.
Now, if you need instructions, there it is.
Look at that. Everything you need to know right there. Talk about easy.
Right? So let's get this bad boy in there, Stephanie.
Let's do it.
Set her up.
Yay. Okay, we have the mattress unwrapped. It's still in the plastic here. You can hear air coming in. It's starting to fill up. Now we have to take the inner plastic off.
Right.
So let's do that.
So is this gonna?
It's gonna go poof.
Fast?
I don't know.
Like an explosion.
I don't know. Let's try it. It's exciting.
All right.
So we're using scissors to trim around the plastic and just get the excess off so we can pull it out from inside the mattress. And look how fast it's already expanding.
Amazing. Right?
Yes.
I thought this would take like a while.
Yeah, it completely expanded in a couple seconds time. And they do recommend 3 to 5 hours to allow it for full expansion before you sleep on it or put any bedding on it. So we are going to let it just do its thing for the next few hours. But wow, it looks like it already expanded most of the way.
That's awesome.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
So what do you think so far?
I think it expanded fast.
Yeah, a lot faster.
How did it do that?
I don't know. It's like somehow for shipping, they get it down to just like pancake size. It was literally like an inch or two thick.
Yeah.
They sucked all the air out of it to package it. And then as soon as that plastic comes off, you can hear it. It's going, and it's just growing.
It's pretty easy to get inside too.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be worse, but worse than that. But it worked out good. We got it in.
Yeah, if we can get it in our RV here,
Anybody
you guys
can.
Yeah.
I'll tell you a little bit about the construction of this here mattress.
Yes.
So, okay, so you know, like when I was a kid, I had coil springs in my mattress. And those things used to shoot right into me.
Yeah,
right?
you could feel them.
Right, and then you just maybe put some duct tape over that, you know, because a mattress was a lifetime commitment back in those days, right?
True.
Yeah, that original technology of coils is so important
Yep.
for longevity in the mattress. So these individually wrapped coils are the base of this mattress. And then we have some gel in there.
Yeah, there's some layers of foam, different densities. And my favorite part, the cooling gel technology and the cooling gel beads that are used to absorb body heat. I'm a hot sleeper, and that is one thing I'm so excited about to try out.
Totally. And the other great thing about these mattresses is the side-to-side motion. For instance, if you have somebody that sleeps like a rock, like Stephanie, and somebody that tosses and turns, like me,
Him.
or if one of us got out of bed in the middle of the night,
Yes.
you probably won't notice it because the mattress doesn't move a lot.
Yeah.
Which also means
Yes.
that sign we hang out front, if the RV's rocking, don't come knocking, we
Yes.
probably won't need that anymore.
Yeah, no,
That's just a...
that can go in the fire pit.
Yeah, we're not going to need that anymore.
No.
So, but you know, you spend a third of your life in
bed. Yeah.
And where does most people cheap out on things?
Yes.
Their mattresses, you know? So,
Yeah, we talked to so many RVers that are still rocking their original RV mattress they bought when they bought their RV new. And
they
I
don't
can't
realize
even
how
imagine.
much pain they're in.
Yeah. The mattresses by Brooklyn Bedding also have 3 firmness levels. And so you can choose from soft, medium, or firm. And this was really important for us because Jeff and I have always purchased firm mattresses. So we went to Brooklyn Bedding's website, and they have a questionnaire to find your sleep type. We went through the questionnaire and we found out we are medium sleepers.
Not only that.
Who knew?
Who knew? But you can also talk to a sleep specialist, and they will help you figure out which mattress you need.
Yeah, especially if you're different sleepers.
Yeah.
Like one's back, one side. They can recommend, you know, what to do in that instance.
So yeah, and the firmness levels are determined by, are you a back sleeper, a side sleeper,
or a combination,
or a stomach sleeper.
Yeah.
So you can find any size mattress for any RV,
Yes.
including van life,
Yes.
Class C's,
Yes.
Class B's, Class A's, travel trailers, fifth wheels.
Yep.
If you've got a mattress, they can replace it.
Thank you, Brooklyn Bedding.
Yeah, thanks Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring us in this video, because we are excited. And here's the good thing. We're going to report back in in a couple of days.
Yes.
And see if I've actually been able to fall asleep after 2 years.
Yeah. And we'll give you the dogs' reviews too.
Yeah.
Because it's really important how they sleep.
Yeah, dogs got to sleep good too.
Yeah. So thank you again, Brooklyn Bedding. We're super excited about this opportunity, and we all want to get a better night's sleep. Yeah, let's all be happy campers.
Yeah, let's be happy campers.
So it's been 1 week on our new mattress from Brooklyn Bedding. What do you think?
Well, I think it's great. I mean, you know, we've tried different mattresses, and, you know, I honestly knew after one day that I was sleeping better, because I slept through the night and I didn't toss it. Did you notice me tossing?
Yeah, no,
and
I didn't feel you, because you move a lot, and I had complete isolation over here, and there was no movement on my side, which was awesome.
You know what's kind of weird too? I swear the dogs slept sounder too, because our 2 little dogs sleep on our bed at night at our feet, and they didn't move at all.
Yeah.
You know, I had to look up and see if they were still there. You know, I didn't know if they bailed out or what, but yeah, they slept good too. So if they could talk, I think they'd say they liked it as well.
All in all, 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah. And we ended up purchasing the RV King size. We got the Dream Foam hybrid mattress, and it has advanced cooling layer on top, which is awesome because it's summer, weather's warm, you go to bed, it's warm, and I could feel that coolness under my sheet, which...
So it kind of maintains your temperature better than a normal bed would.
Yes,
yeah.
Very impressive.
I noticed that too.
Yeah, I really like that part.
How'd they figure that out?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So the Dream Foam hybrid mattress does come in different heights, and we ended up getting the 10-inch height. It comes in thinner and thicker, so whatever works best for you. And we wanted to make sure our mattress would fit under our nightstands here, so we went with the 10-inch, and we're pleased as pie.
Yeah, it's great. I also noticed when I sat on the edge, it's firm enough that you don't just go sinking down into it.
Yeah,
so
it has
the
very
side support is very
sides.
good. Yeah.
Yes. It wasn't too heavy to get under our storage underneath, and our hydraulic is able to support this mattress. So that was really important to us because we're always conscious of traveling and driving around with a lot of weight.
Some of the great things about Brooklyn Bedding is that free shipping.
Yeah, anywhere in the United States.
Yep. 10-year warranty.
Yep, 10-year warranty on your mattress.
Yep. Built in Arizona, in their factory in Arizona.
Yes.
And 120 night, as we've talked about.
Yeah, sleep trial.
Yeah. I mean, you can't go wrong with that.
Yeah,
I don't know anyone else that does that.
Right.
Yeah.
And if you're not completely happy, you can call them up and they will walk you through the process of getting you a new mattress. So you have a 120 night trial, try it out. There's no charge for the shipping, returns, or the shipping to you. So that is just amazing. I mean, what a great company to offer that to us as RVers, especially because we're mobile and we're always somewhere else. So it's so hard to get something like that.
Yeah.
But they have been really adaptable with us and where we're staying and getting the mattress to us. It came really fast. It came in less than a week. We
don't do a lot of product endorsements, and we get stuff kind of sent our way quite a bit, and they're not things we're real interested in or things that we think we'd want. But a good night's sleep is the most important thing
for sure
for us, and comfort. Wake up in the morning, you feel good. You don't feel stiff or in pain or any of that.
It's a great product.
And if you need a bed, you can put your trust in this company because, again, if you don't like it, they'll take it back, and we're living proof that. I mean, this bed's fantastic.
Yes.
It's just fantastic.
And it's better than trying to guess whether or not you will like a bed from somewhere, another company, like Amazon or something, for say where you order it and you may hate it. Well, how do you get it back to them? Do they have free shipping? Do they have free returns? Will they even take it back or charge you a restocking fee? And we want to thank Brooklyn Bedding and RV Mattress for sponsoring us and for giving us this opportunity for a better night's sleep and to let you guys all know about their great products.
And if you want to save 25% on these mattresses, tell them how to do that stuff.
Yes, our code is JEFFANDSTEFF, and we'll have a link to that in the description and in the video. So feel free to click on that and it'll take you right over to their website and you can start shopping and start getting a good night's sleep. Yay!
Yeah. Now I might want to be talking to Brooklyn Bedding sometime this week. You know why?
Why?
I'm thinking about pillows.
Oh, the pillows, right?
Pillows.
I saw
now I'm curious.
Yeah, and I saw cooling pillows, so it's all over.
Yeah.
It's summer, it's hot, cooling. Everything's about the cooling.
Yeah. Why are we going to use these crappy pillows when we get such a good mattress, right?
Look, this one's so cute, though. Looks like a leaf.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching Jeff and Steph's
Excellent
Mattress and Brooklyn Bedding video.
Adventure.
Yes.
Video.
Take care and safe travels, everyone.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
See ya.